Welcome to the Lifetime Assembly channel. My name is John, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the temperature sensor on your Lifetime grill. If you've had issues with your grill and customer service decides to send you a new temperature sensor, the first thing you need to do is unplug your grill. Next, open the grill and remove the racks and this burn plate. With a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 3 screws holding this plate on. Next, remove the 2 screws holding this plate on. Keep in mind that there are 2 nuts underneath, and you can either use a wrench or your fingers to hold the nut in place while you take out the screws. This is your temperature sensor, and to remove it, remove the 2 screws holding it in. In order to disconnect the temperature sensor, you need to remove the display. Start by removing the 3 screws on the cover. Now remove the 4 screws holding the display onto the hopper. The temperature sensor is the only one that goes off into this hole. Find where it connects and disconnect the sensor. Pull the connector through the hole and remove the sensor from the grill. Install the new temperature sensor in the reverse order that we took out the old one. Now reinstall the burner plate and racks. Now plug your grill back in. Turn the grill on to make sure the temperature sensor is working, and double check in the app that the firmware for the grill is up to date. If you still have any issues, go ahead and call customer service.